Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable suggested a site on Chrome. So here, if you want to disable it, maybe you don't want Chrome suggested sites, you can try to disable it by click on the top right of your corner and click settings. Here you can try to click a privacy and security. Click advertise privacy or add privacy. Under advertise topics, there is a site suggested ads. So based on your activity on a site, this setting is on, click it. Here we go, you can turn this off. So when on, a list of sites you visit that gets your interest appear here, so you can turn this off. A sites you visit can determine what you like and then suggest ads. You continue browsing. Site suggested ads are just one of many things a site can use to personalize ads. So even without site suggested ads, sites can still show you ads, but they may be less interesting. So here you can turn this off. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And subscribe button below. See you in the next video.